In this video, I will be showing you how to make baby shower invitation in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking into the search bar on the Canva homepage and typing in baby shower invitation. I'll scroll through the various templates until I find one that fits the look I'm going for. This white and beige watercolor design is a great starting point, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template. Now that the editor is open, I'm going to update the name by clicking on the text and typing in daisies. To coordinate the colors, I'll change the text color to a dark purple found in my brand kit. Next, I want to swap out the main illustration. I'll go to the Elements tab on the sidebar and search for Baby Shower Graphics. I'll scroll through the options and select this colorful banner graphic. I'll delete the original watercolor clothesline and position the new banner in the center, dragging the corners to resize it until it looks balanced. To keep the theme consistent, I'll click on the word baby and change its color to the same dark purple. I'll also select the text blocks at the bottom and update their color to match. Now I'll click on the date to change it to April 4th. I'm also going to change the font style to Montserrat for a cleaner look. I'll refine the date further by changing it to 0404. I'll spend a little time adjusting the spacing and alignment of the address and RSVP details at the bottom to make sure everything is perfectly centered. For a final touch, I'll change the introductory text at the top to that same purple color. Once I'm happy with the design, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner. I'll select Download, keep the suggested PNG format, and click the Download button to save the final invitation.